What's the best method to learn a language? If your first thought was cooking, you would be correct. Welcome to the start of a new series where I, one recipe at a time, cook my way to fluency in Japanese. I had to find something I've never made before and couldn't just freestyle like a cookie or a simple cake. And just by looking at this, I couldn't tell you what it is. We're gonna make Yamitsuki maple gareto shito. Wow, that was really good. My guess is a mango something, but nevertheless, it looks good. So, there are only two rules. No complete translation of a full sentence, meaning I'm free to use any pop-up dictionary, otherwise this challenge is practically impossible for me. And the final rule, it has to taste good. So, let's start by making sense of the ingredients. First thing we need is butter. We need butter. Maple sugar, or maple schizophrenia. Choose your poison. 1 egg. Oh, yellow. Okay, so that's 1 egg yolk. 100 grams of chikara, force. Okay, we need 100 grams of cake flour, pastry flour. I'm gonna assume cake flour and pastry flour is the same thing. So that means plain flour. Yeah, no, this recipe looks like it needs self-raising flour, I think. Future me speaking to past me. Why the fuck are you assuming in a recipe, bro? Follow the fucking instructions. Almond powder. Oh, powder. Baking powder. Interesting, so we need baking powder. And then the last two things are egg yolk. Oh, and milk. It is egg wash. I knew it. Don't ask me how long that took, but yeah. Granulated sugar, not maple sugar, but same thing. I sounded confident there, but I spent a while Googling the difference between normal sugar and maple sugar. And the only thing I could see was that the maple sugar was just brown. I'm pretty sure there's probably a more caramelized taste, but I'm not gonna lie, I did not have maple sugar. It was finally time to start baking. Oh my god. Something ni enter batato maple sugar. It's saying put the maple, in this case normal sugar, and butter together. 100 grams of, oh shit, I need a knife now. Actually, I don't. Hello? Can you reset? 60 grams of maple sugar. I have exactly that. I wanna actually Google what maple sugar looks like. Oh, wait, I can just use brown sugar? 60 grams of brown sugar. Fixed temperature. Oh, room temperature butter. I don't think this is room temperature. Oh my god, I need to let the butter sit for a sec. Okay, this should have been enough time. Ow! And then after this step, we salt. Often, this is often, no? Yoku is often. Nicely, properly. Oh, properly salted. And then add some proper salt. Okay, I will add salt properly. Normally when you add any salt, it should be a pinch. Hitatsu mami. I'm assuming mami is 1 pinch. So, there's still lumps of butter, but it's fine. After salt, egg yolk. To add the egg yolk. And then sarani. And then mazeru. And then I need an egg yolk. Fuck, I need somewhere to put the egg white. Bruh. That's 1 egg yolk. Furui iraru. Isn't that to enter? Iraru. Sakuri? Apart. What? Oh, sieve the flour. Where's flour? Flour looks like that. I don't think they mentioned it yet. Where does the almonds go though? Does that go on top? What the fuck? What am I making, bro? Like, actually, what am I making? I thought it was like the closest thing to like an almond finger from Tesco. I guess not. And then, why is there a black dot? Why are there random shapes? Can I Google that? See, Google didn't even know what I was talking about. It was like, oh, you mean triangle? Oh, that's an onigiri. Eventually, I did realize that the black circle just meant all the dry ingredients. So it's a lot easier than I thought, but thank you, Google. Thank you. Am I gonna sieve in the flour? I'm not, bro. I'm gonna like, not sieve, I'm gonna like mix. Oops, 100. Cheese size spoon, which is like, a teaspoon is 4 grams, so I need a single gram of baking powder. So I need a gram.
Might work, no reaction.
Hello, gram? I guess my machine's broken. Almond powder, 10 grams. That's 19 grams. Oh no. Sekuri o mazeru. Oh, gently mix. Okay. Also, this is so small, bro. So my family, I was gonna give them some. What is this? Like, serves 2 people. Rapute oi. Wrap, and then until it reaches for 1 centimeter. Rises 1 centimeter for how long? 1 hour? Refrigerate for 1 hour? I stumbled across a teeny tiny issue. Since I'm going through the lines one by one, I'm discovering new things like refrigerate for 1 hour. multiple times, which I didn't know about. Okay, an hour later, it's almost nighttime. After putting in the fridge for 1 hour, wake up. Uchiko. I'll put it on the table. 4 centimeter no seruku. Circle the kuri to carve out. Oh, it's like a scone, kind of. Okay, so you roll it out, turn it into circles, and then the triangle, hyomeni paint. Okay, I think I'm gonna roll it out on paper itself, so I don't. There's a slight issue. How am I supposed to roll this out? Oh my god! What the fuck? It's like solid. Can't I just roll them into balls and then flatten them out? I think you're not supposed to touch it because it's cold. And maybe temperature is important. Okay, that's as neat as I can get it, I think. Roll them out into 4 centimeter, I think. How many is it supposed to make? Like, it actually looks like nothing. I need to get a rolling pin. Oh, I could actually just use this. I don't know how thin they're supposed to be, but judging from the picture, 4 centimeters. Okay, that is not 4 centimeters. I fucked up. I think I would make them skinnier, maybe. I guess we're gonna use this. I don't know who ate. How am I gonna shape them into circles? Will I just like freehand it? I mean, I could try. You know what? I'm doing my original idea. Just rolling them into balls and then flattening them out. Got the biggest tray ready for like 4 circles or something. Boom. Ooh, let's go. I think also the indentation from your hands are actually part of the thing. I might be wrong, but I remember seeing that in the picture, unless that's like lines you're supposed to make by yourself. And then we have very cute, very demure. Smells like butter and sugar. I can't even smell the almonds. Almonds? Do you pronounce the L? I don't know. Paint the egg wash onto them. Kawaku. Let it dry. For how long? In the fridge, brother. 1 egg yolk. Oh my god, there's eggs everywhere. No. How much money you got? A lot. Now, how much milk are we talking? We need sashi. 1/4. A teaspoon. Oh, a teaspoon of milk? A teaspoon is 4 milliliters now, so I would need 1/4 of a teaspoon, which is 1 mil. I don't think the scale does 1 grams though. That's 11 grams? Brother, stop lying. Actually, wait. If it's 1/4 of a teaspoon, okay, I did add way too much milk. I might have to waste another egg. Unless it's fine. Okay, fine, whatever. 1 more egg yolk. And then it should be enough. Okay, the texture is a lot different here. Also, I don't even have a paintbrush. Am I supposed to paint them? Because it says spread it on the surface. What is this? It's so messy. I also don't think I'm supposed to be putting a puddle on them. Yeah, okay, I'm just gonna paint. I'll give it enough so that it's like fully covered, and then it says let it dry in the fridge, which means I have to turn the oven off. This is the second time I turn on the oven. Just turn it back off because I keep like having to read recipe 1 by 1, and then it's like, yeah, just put it in the fridge for an hour. Oh, okay, just let me turn it off. And then again, oh yeah, just let it rest in the fridge until the entire top is dry and crackled. Okay, let me turn off the oven again. And then it's gonna be like, take it out of the fridge, and then final result. Get like a 360. Ignore the how am I gonna? I think I should bake it somewhere else because this is just gonna burn in the fridge. I mean in the microwave, bro. English. It's just gonna burn in the oven though. Unless you are supposed to leverage. Like, how did I get that? I don't get it. Let me continue reading actually. Kawaii tara. A second time. I'd watch a second time, and then foku the fork. Okay, I didn't get it. Fork the vein artery. Okay, I assume it says use the fork to make lines, and then again in the fridge, brother. I was joking. Okay, we don't need to put it in the fridge 5 times. 1 hour later, they're kind of dry, but I would say instead of it's like, oh, it's gummy. Why do they look so radioactive? Okay, and then you draw lines. Okay. Interesting. I think I should repaint them because I'm kind of scraping off the egg. Bro, if I didn't waste all the egg wash on the baking paper, this would have been a lot more easier. I think I have to do another egg. It's kind of like seeping a little bit into the holes. Yeah, okay, I'll go let them dry, I guess.
1 hour later.
Okay, this time for real, I'm gonna add literally a quarter of a teaspoon of milk. A drop. Boom. No, actually, wait, one more drop. That should be a quarter of a teaspoon, no? And then this is the last egg wash. I'm gonna put it on a new baking sheet because this one's pretty messed up. It looks a little bit better, I guess. I didn't really mix the egg wash too much because this one still has like that white, it's like some translucent slime on it. But okay, into the fridge for another few minutes. And then finally in the oven. Okay, finally, bro. After transferring them to a clean, nice, very cute, clean tray, I can bake them, I think. And finally, it goes zutsu. Oh, isn't that katachi?
I knew I saw it somewhere.
No, kata, and then I think you're supposed to put them. Oh no, I think you're supposed to put them in like what are they called? The ceramic. I forgot the name of it. Oh yeah, ramekin. Thank you. So they can probably rise up. I don't know, but I don't have that, so they're gonna bake here. And then 100 tabini, 180 doni, and an oven. Oh, preheat. Yone ta oven de 18 minutes. Hodo. So bake for 18 minutes. Finally, oh my god.
Okay. Before I reveal them, please, like, you know what? Just see it for yourself. They're so flat, and it just tastes like a normal cookie with like egg spill on top. Okay, final thoughts. I think this was really fun to make. I do enjoy baking, and it was a fun challenge. I do really, like, it felt like I was solving a mystery, kind of, like putting the pieces together. I was scared at the beginning that it would be too easy because, you know, I'm just using a dictionary to just look up every single word. I'm kind of glad that it's not as easy as I thought it was. Because even though I can look up every word, when you put them together, it makes a cohesive sentence. And what I was getting was I wasn't getting the nuance, basically. I think over time it will get better. But yeah, it was fun making this. If you guys want to comment down recipe ideas for me to try, I would love that. And thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe.